Hey there, welcome back NTD Cons channel. In this video, I will review some of the features of the BOSCH GLM20 product. Accuracy. Features long-range measuring with extreme accuracy and measures distances up to 65 feet to within 1/8 inch. Measures in meters, feet, inches, or inches only. Easy to use. Simple, one-button operation. Press the button once to begin measuring. The GLM20 is small enough to fit in any pocket. Live measuring. Provides default real-time measurement that adjusts as you move closer and farther from the target, just like a tape measure. Display. Features a backlit display that allows measurements to be easily read, even in dark areas. Fits comfortably. Smart and convenient in size and shape, easily portable, and will rest on any flat surface.